What's going on, guys? Joe Castelli back again with another video. So today we have a really cool one. We're actually going to be learning how to wrap, and I'm going to be wrapping that hood scoop on the Mustang right there. I feel like it'll look so much better if the hood scoop is black because you already have these blacked out and the black like lip on there, and I feel like it'll look so much better. So we're going to like teach ourselves how to wrap. Now look at that. These look great together, and if this is lower, so much better, so much better. We've got some matte black wrap that's gonna go on there, and we have a little wrap kit. And I have zero idea, not a single clue on how to wrap. I watched one video on TikTok, and it was like, you put it out there and you glass it out, and you just use a heat gun and do all sorts of stuff. And so we're gonna make it work. So this is all of my stuff. And when I moved in, I just set it all here, and then I didn't do anything with it. So somewhere in here is a heat gun. I don't exactly know. Perfect, heat gun. I know, I need to organize. Okay, step one is gonna be opening this up, not getting stung by any of these wasps that are just all over. That down, that's disintegrating in my hand. Get this off. Alright, we've removed the hood scoop. I'm not closing it fully. We're just setting it down because look how dirty this is after like 20 plus years of being there. I mean, that's dirty. So we're gonna clean this up, and then we're gonna get to the hood scoop. But yeah, we're gonna clean this up a little bit and make it look a little nicer. Okay, so I don't have a bunch of shit in my disposal right now to actually do this the correct way, so we're just gonna use some ceramic detailer and this, because I have no anything. I just have nothing. I started this with nothing. So we're just gonna, honestly speaking, we should cut this and then take that little fake vent out and actually have real air going in, but I don't know if that's doable. You know, let me get paper towel. This is a dumb idea. I know, cringe. Paint's already destroyed, so it shouldn't really matter. Much better. It's a V6 Mustang now. Okay, new idea. I'm gonna have it on the car, but just like sitting there. That way it's maybe a little easier. That was a fucking wasp. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we're off to a start. We're off to a start. Good start. I don't know. Okay, so this is where I'm at. Again, I had no idea what I was doing when I went into this, but I started to cut it up. I'm gonna, I guess, tuck it under and kind of make it look decent because I've already started. So eventually, I mean, I'm gonna like wrap it or paint it or something. This is just like in the meantime, but I mean, obviously it's not done, but I feel like that definitely adds like a little something to it, right? So this took me a few hours, but this is about as good as it's gonna be. So as you can see, I tucked it all underneath. I used the heat gun so much it kind of messed it up, but at this point I don't care. I just want it to be on there looking like this. There's some air bubbles that just literally don't go away. This is just meant to be for the time being, for like a few weeks until we figure out a wrap. Not meant to really actually be perfect, but yeah, this is where we're at. It's not terrible, but like it's not great. All right, so what do we think? Obviously it looks kind of like shit, but like let's step 5 feet back. This is a 5-feeter. In cars, you guys got to know there's a 5 feet rule. You got to stand 5 feet back, and it looks so much better. So what are your thoughts? I think that looks good. I honestly like it because it matches, you know, black, black. Next we got to do the wing. Look at that 5 feet rule. And then obviously as we get closer, you know, it's pretty glaringly obvious. But for now, that's good for now. All right, so what do you guys think about how it all turned out? Do you think it was good? Do you think it was bad? Not worth it? I don't know, whatever. Let me know down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button below and to subscribe for more videos. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, so it'd be really cool to be able to hit that when I post this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.